Hello guys and welcome back to another vlog. Today we are going to see a symbol of liberty, of freedom. Yes, your guys are correct. We are going to see the Statue of Liberty. So let's get started. After buying our tickets, which was around $23, we headed to the security point. After a thorough security check, we headed to the ship which took us to the Liberty Islands. In the ship, there are 3 decks, the lower deck, the middle deck and the upper deck. We chose to sit on the upper deck to view the magnificent views of Statue of Liberty as well as the New York City. The Statue of Liberty, which is also known as Liberty Enlightening the World, is a colossal neoclassical sculpture on Liberty Island in New York Harbor in New York City. The copper statue, a gift from the people of France to the people of United States, was designed by French sculptor Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi, and its metal framework was built by Gustave Eiffel. The statue was dedicated on October 28, 1886. As we step out of the ship, there is a huge entry gate for the Liberty Islands, and also there are rangers who man all the gates, which is very interesting to see. The statue is a figure of Libertas, a robed Roman liberty goddess. She holds a torch above her head with her right hand, and in her left hand carries a tabula annasta inscribed July 4, 1776 in Roman numerals, the date of the US Declaration of Independence. A broken shackle and chain lies at her feet as she walks forward, commemorating the recent national abolition of slavery. After its dedication, the statue became an icon of freedom and of United States, seen as the symbol of welcoming the immigrants arriving by sea. After seeing an iconic Statue of Liberty and the beautiful Liberty Island, let's get back to see some history on Statue of Liberty. Let's go and see the Statue of Liberty Museum, which is located in the Liberty Island. The Statue of Liberty Museum is dedicated to preserving and sharing the history and legacy of a remarkable American treasure. Unique collections and modern galleries provide an enhanced educational experience, inviting visitors to contemplate the meaning of the statue and explore history in thought provoking ways. At the end, you see the original torch of Statue of Liberty. hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.